Your air cooler wheels came off or stopped moving? That's exactly what happened with my Symphony Diet 3D cooler. The rear wheels started popping out and moving it became really frustrating. So instead of calling a technician, I decided to fix it myself. I went online, searched for caster wheels and found this. They cost around 250 rupees, so pretty affordable. Now, before you order, one important thing. Check the shaft size. For this cooler, it's 19 mm. Even if the wheel size looks different, that shaft size is what matters. I ordered based on that and got a set of 4. Now, let's start the process. First, drain all the water from the cooler. Open the drain plug and let it empty completely. Don't skip this step, otherwise it becomes heavy and messy to tilt. Once the water is out, carefully tilt the cooler onto its side. Now check the wheels. In my case, there was a lot of hair, dust and dirt stuck inside. That buildup is probably what caused the wheels to fail. Now removing them is simple. Just pull them out. Some will come out easily, some might feel stuck. You will need to apply a bit more force. You don't need any tools for this. Now all 4 wheels are out. Time to install the new ones. Take the new caster, align it properly with the hole and push it in firmly by hand. Repeat the same for all 4 and that's it. Let's do a quick test. Now it moves smoothly without any effort. In fact, these new wheels are slightly bigger than the original ones, so they roll better and can handle more weight. So yeah, no need to call a technician for this. If your cooler wheels are loose, broken or stuck, this is an easy fix you can do at home in minutes.